Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how I made an exact replica of the Mitsubishi Eclipse from the first Fast and Furious movie out of clay. But first, I'll quickly show you how I made all of this with my own hands. It all started with a block of hard NSP clay like this. I cut thin slices from it and rolled them through a pasta machine to make these sheets very thin. Then I printed out the blueprints and started cutting out the body parts according to them. First, I made a platform and a base for further sculpting. Then I attached the rest of the body parts to it. Then I shaped the rear part, doing everything according to the blueprints to make sure it's even. I take regular green modeling clay, knead it, roll it out into a very thin sheet, and cover the car body with it. This will be the main color. I'm making the front part the same way, adding small details gradually. Then I sculpt the interior elements, paint them black, and install them in their places. I glue on the roof, make 4 wheels and install them, not forgetting about the engine, which I also create gradually. And finally, the last finishing touch. I paint all the inscriptions and stripes with a very fine brush. And in the end, here's what I managed to make. The model turned out to be very similar. I really like the result of my work and I hope you do too. And if that's the case, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel. After all, I put a lot of effort into creating it. By the way, the full video about creating this Eclipse is already on the channel. You can watch it in the top right corner of the screen or by following the link in the description. It took me a little over a month of work to create such a masterpiece, and as you can see, I really tried to make everything as close as possible to how it was in the movie. I constantly compared it with the original to make sure I didn't miss anything. And I ended up with a very high quality and beautiful copy of the car from Fast and Furious, which I created completely from scratch, by hand, out of modeling clay. Let's compare it with the original and see the quality of my copy. At first glance, it looks very similar, but I changed the angle of the bumper a bit. In the movie, it's very noticeable. I didn't like that, so I decided it would be better to do it a bit my own way. You can also see that part of the rear bumper in the original sticks out noticeably, but my replica doesn't have that. Everything else is very similar. Here too, everything is very similar. You can pause and take a closer look at all the details. The only thing I did my own way is the rear brake disc. In the movie, it's just a decorative cover. I decided not to copy that and made a regular brake disc instead. Everything else is identical, including the inscriptions, car pattern, rim shape, and spoiler. The rear is also very alike. The only thing is that the shape of the trunk turned out a bit flat for me, although it should be rounded. I made this part wrong. And the side elements of the bumper are a bit different. I should have made them lower. And from this angle, you can see how I made the shape of the bumper a bit my own way. My holes turned out a bit triangular, while in the original they're more rounded. Everything else is similar. And comparing from the front, there's the same inscription on the hood, and the hood latches look very similar. And to recreate the interior, I had to watch the movie literally frame by frame to see everything, and I managed to make a pretty accurate interior. And now let's take a look at the beautiful engine. This is the Mitsubishi Eclipse from the first Fast and Furious movie that I got. Of course, it appears at the beginning of the movie, and again closer to the middle, where it gets blown up. But it is still considered one of the most legendary and iconic cars from the Fast and Furious movie series. Now I'll answer one of your main questions. Is this car for a crash test? No, but at first I actually made it for a crash test. I really wanted to smash it. I didn't even do any detailing on the underside, just to put it together faster and not waste time on it. But when I was finishing it, I realized that I actually wanted to keep it in my collection, to have it on the shelf. If you really liked how I made this Eclipse and you would like me to make another car from the Fast and Furious movie series, write your suggestions in the comments. What else should I make? Subscribe to my Telegram channel, I'm there for you. Right now, I'm posting the process of sculpting a new car out of clay. And now I'll show you the step-by-step process of sculpting this Eclipse. Like and subscribe to my creative channel if you're here for the first time. I have a lot of similar videos of cars made out of clay. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye everyone.